mutegeri wa Meru TV karibu kimubango yetu kuri biashara yora yomba kwithira yekuyera ntiko chonda cha lamisi kumathaile na nusu cha woro mwankatha cheli tukenda utiere tukuthoma na kumenya mantu jegie biashara dware tuliongete imwe kwa mwentere chia makutano na tuliongete amure mba kumenyekana ya Emily na tuliongete kenda kwa rele mantu jegie biashara ya wendia baro wena kinyoga kona atulongete kumenyekana ya LIQUISPRINGS awata not longete tere chia makutano betkeria ambe kwithira nki watogeni mweni wetu ntukwirwa rombe kwithira getwikie moko emwe akenda tumenya biashara ya ruwe yomba kwithira ikita ya karibu sana Emily.
Thank you so much.
Kede mutegeri wa Meru TV kibara boko na ntuku rita ya uri mbere bakumenye akenda kinya tukiambire kwa rene matutege biashara twaranire tukimenyana.
Okay. Kambwe marito mbeta wa Emily KARIMI. Na I am the founder and the owner of LIQUISPRINGS water company. We're located Makutano on your way to KINORU Stadium. Na unyoto ritairangu CIETU tia production erue na refilling. So that kithira customers veto around to supply na roe roa kunywa purified drinking water. Yeah.
Ni bia tumire wambiria kwa biashara ya wenderu kana ni bia kuinspire ni bi wonere kenda wambire biashara ya menya kuna biashara nyingi mno chikuo na ukiangwa kinya kwambire biashara ingi lakini wewe waone na kwambire biashara yewe pia buru.
So bibi atumire mpanjere biashara ya kwendia roe. Ndeko ya Meru nda umete kuntu ndamenyeretie ku make calls karete roe nyumba just at the comfort of my house. So ndeko dhama nda ya Meru nda yanda ithira lazima mbite mwanka supermarket kile kwenda rwirwa kunywa na ntari na location ya rinya na access a supermarket so much. So I felt there are many other people like me baomba kuithira bare need rwirwa kunywa lakini babidi baita mwanka supermarket beta kuria roe. So ndaona there is a gap in the market na ndamwa ku take it as a chance na ironda njiririe the process ya kutoa nyumba, kutoa machine, kutoa ina information era yonde nda bati kwitha ndini okenda set up business. So ndabwithia na nda manage kurura the shop in 2023.
Edira warura ni byo ngombere kwithira ukiayilia kendo utire biashara iku kwambire na itewo no tunona kinya babengi bakiambire biashara cyone cyethirikiwa kaita kanini.
Well, to the success of the business first, so can me attribute to God, known to it is true. And to baba ingi be there ina business ideas, ukaitha wina capital, na waru karura dukamba do na ikaitha ite succeed. So then darura I was keen in choosing the location, known to being a water refilling company. No need kwethira we in a residential place. Kenda customers ba who by the we serve the locality too baba around you. And then I was looking for a residential place. Na riranda thwanirie nda it's around town dona KINORU will be good. Na hidonda anzirerie kuria nyumba.
Zairo kwa mantu ya residential place ni bibyo ngo kwa rivi.
De manisha kuntukura no kona for example kithira i town antu baba ingi baita town kurita biashara ofisi lakini kwena araba choka. So na araba uchoka nza we na mtu aina nyumba ina like 5 people 3 people na antu bobo ndiba consume roy at the end of the day. So ndaenda nara nda targeting nara antu bobo dia where they sleep. You know, that was the aim. Ijo biatumire mbia na anon to a lot of people diba kuria within KINORU Makutano and the environment.
Na kenda biashara yetu na mbere no mwanka wethire we na information ayegi biashara ro kubuidia ndra wa mbere biashara yetu ya kwendia ruwe ni na wethire kuma na information wethire school tho maybe wethire kiria biashara bangi baruwe oba uri biure bocho kiria kanini na umire na information.
Information is needed, otherwise no with the when a business idea lakini ukaachia the correct information. So that means wase tapo tuomba ku run the business as it should. So the first thing idea I think from like 2019. So nainda to kubuithia to research to encounter a number of people by the same shops. Or why ta refill royo kaita ukauria muntu a question or two. Menya ukauria like 10 people with a few answers. Secondly, online internet has a lot of information that you need. So also for YouTube, TikTok, kila mahali. I tried to research. Na weta inyake the producers ba machines. Inyako by the raba ina some information ba ukwa. Iraya ko guide kenda o set up the business. So I took a while trying to research kera kepona imbina ambinka but with and navio ne ati ambati ku run business kwa kenda either is successful. So I took time with your research here and there until nikapata the information that I needed. Lakini meamu mtu atereka hapo thoma. So I'm still learning. I interact with other business owners. Utemba kwethira wena wera wake umeba muntu mwane echo. Yes, so uwezi kuwa self sufficient. Lazima consult a few people here and there. I still do that to date. Yes.
Na kenda LIQUISPRINGS ruero ba kwethira rukinyua akwena process kubuithia ruwe. Kindogo tunombe kwethira ugitueleza that process kenda at least rukinya kwa ruwe packed rukinya kwa ruwe customer care yaure nani.
Yeah. So it roita through a purification process to in a machine that's our reverse osmosis machine. So roe in its normal nature okay akwaili roe sometimes no weke ronya roe kombe no iko roe na smell sometimes no to notice roe na nyakala. Hizi vitu zote kenda roiroraro safe for human consumption lazima to eliminate. So that is why we have a machine inafanya the purification process, inatoa color, inatoa minerals, the excess, the metals, the excess minerals, the metals, a lot of things. So purify hiyo maji so that by the time it gets to the customer, by the time toko ya umevent na hii machine, ruero itaira kwa clean and safe for the consumption.
So siero wa LIQUISPRINGS. Na irwa mbura, irwa mwera, kwenjete kithima.
Ari, tutente kithima na tutetapu mwerene. Tuyuka kia roero tu the kawaida water that is tapped into people's houses. Lakini roero most of the times roero just treated so that you can use. Lakini endewa yake kunywa na kunywe sana roero but kuita a step higher roka purified kenda any extra chemicals in the water, the metals into bibi on the biro ina menyaro raro kuyaro aite la merene. Now the environment is not safe sana and roero okay ya consume directly ilo whether irairo kureta issues in the body. Bacteria. So the machine that we have inatusaidia ku eliminate hizo vitu zote, the bacteria and any other impurity that iko kwa maji.
Na nindu wai lakiendera nende ukubuithia ruwe kenda at least to set LIQUISPRINGS water apart. Na ndu irengi no tunonete kinyawe uliungite no kwithira kwina company nyingi mnecha ndoe na no kwenda roku rwithira irwantu bakwenda nkuruki.
So to set LIQUISPRINGS apart, where to roe, lakini there is a difference. Na inya customers bongwa kisikiza their reviews, sometimes they'll tell you roe different from. So what we do is the machines. To a machine, as I've told you, we are like almost 3 years in business now. Machines, CIETU, first of all, we do timely maintenance. Kenda non to into filters na to clean the machine. We do that in good time. Kenda machine iteke kwendera ina complications kana idira ikureka purify roe borai bati. So we do that tuka maintain the machines, tuka ensure the environment we are producing our water in is safe, so that at the end of the day, na weird smells, weird tastes, tuka maintain the standard. Kumarira turuorera mwankathai, ruiro tutiarwa change. So utapata customers barato ambiriria abo 3 years ago, we still have them. Yes.
Taraba biashara ni mbakwithira ina amaitena menama na mnoendera wambire biashara iri njaru akenda yithira ikiwaka kana antu bakimenya biashara iku no wethaira ukigwithia maybe marketing na mantu amwe bakuthira ukigwithia kindu tira at least antu kinya bakumenya biro kwendia wewe kurura a liquid spring water ni ndivyo ngombere kwithira ukigwithia kindu tira batu itu kumenya kwina aru yaru na itu bakuthira tukiyoru
biashara ubati umetreat ya kana kanini. When you have a newborn baby, at the time, by the time akumba kurea, kuna milestones that you hit. So what treat business in that way, ute expect ukarura the first day na usava 100 customers. So those are the milestones. But with time, tuekorura ito erete ko with a lot of marketing online. Sai the world is digital. So ukika na product zako, most of the people hawatajua about you. Na the beauty of online marketing ni eti customer nye muntu ayekora yakaburu atapata the information about you and we find out them reaching out to you. So we have been doing marketing and mostly we have been doing online marketing. Na at times to ambainya stickers. So no way yokarura ngeti go kaithira ka sticker kaikeria uka auto advertise. Because at the end of the day tutembo karande to tera customer batuithira. We have to go out and look for them. Yes, so we have been doing that.
Na kenda customer ira ora wiro ku 2023. Ni ndio bakuthira ukigwithia kenda the same customer omba kwithira agichoka.
First of all, interaction na customers. Most of the times, by then, we have very good products. Lakini your interaction with the customers in our fukuza. So one thing we try our best to do is to maintain very good customer service and the customer. Our relationship with the customer to ensure we are relating so well, so that customer yaru area ke akwithira na area ikwa kwikantu katamu satisfied. Aya twira I am unhappy about this tutemwira wewe na manto yaku tukaski tukamuthikira na to ensure to address the issue ira. So most of the time atu relationship between customers we try and create a very good rapport with the customers na ba document in the product so that every day anytime customer nakumenya aya LIQUISPRINGS I sure the quality of the water anaenda nayo nyumbani is good.
The challenges kana kithitire kienene kira wethire to create as the CEO wa LIQUISPRINGS.
Katuwe biashara ni up and down. Ruare utasema umekafunga and the following day utakuwa unashangaa why did I start this business at the first place. So katuwe the tough times no kumenya inyawe economically as a country we are not doing so well. So tuseme the tough times that are there, so the customers maketha inyawa by na challenge. So me customer are affected, inyaunde are affected to the tough times. Na bado run business unahitaji licenses. So the constant renewal mete kumakaniedera no you've been doing well this year yake nyata imeko renew license lazima utarenew. That is another thing. So weka to the economic challenges to mbakwethira to cure sometimes zinatusumbua na the cost of production also sometimes unapata inaenda juu hivyo yovi ndera Nairobi the bottles that we use saa zingine uko industry baite viento you see baite viento sometimes ndareba ora onkamatera ambera ruarente koreya onde koreya na at the end of the day oni kwa ground ntiomba uchencheria customer kwamwira iworo ndakwenderia rowe na 10 ruarente kwenderia nambi na 15. So you see that burden oni ninka bear the burden kenda at the end of the day na customer I have to maintain them. So tuseme to the economic challenges ndizo mingi
ukiarire mantu jege ai production cost maybe kinya ya nara ukura mitungi na mwaka byukinyere kenda wambiri kwenderwe ne ate umba ku balance kenda utirane kinyendera kwina high cost of production bando nukwenda ku satisfy your customers.
Tuwe saa zingine unatosheka tu, si kila siku utamake, you know, kwa biashara kuna margins. This month uko na margin ya iko juu, the next month inaenda chini. So nonto utakwenda wa affect customers na utakwenda ku lose customer at the end of the day. So ni margin zako za profit ndizo zinafanya nini? Zinashuka. Kwa sababu sasa lazima u leverage so that wewe mwenyewe uweze kuitisha mzigo ukamatiro reterwe na userve customer ura. So at the end of the day mimi tu ndio margin zangu zinaenda chini. But yeah, we still keep going.
Okay. Yeah. Na ke biashara chonde ndra mtu kwambire biashara na ithera aina target audience kana mtu barai tia kona ba ibon kwenda bethira by my customers.
Yeah.
Tukia kinya tukiarire customer akana tukiarire mantujegie audience. Wendra wambairia wendie boru ibai ku customers ro wailete muno kona ba ibon kwenda bethira by customers wako sana.
Temba kuenda arena a specific group iranda targeti oni targete kwa yari tu anyone akona nyumba mahali maybe aina dispenser aku menya sometimes challenges ucha kwethera utina roe close to you ukaitha muntu aina dispenser aina kiboyo lakini iro tabu acha mukakia ekirako that was my target customer so that ende were kawe kaira riro ku kiboyo kyaku roirwa kuchamukia kana ukaithira muntu atapira roirwa mbura ne athire like 4 months ago lakini no ruwa wetata akotumira. So my target was just those customers wenye wana struggle kama mimi kupata maji ya kukunywa kenda ende watiamu wana nyumba maybe uko na mtoto na watu wako kwa nyumba lakini wewe umeenda job ana baraba tibati wetera mwanka worowe ya ubaretera ruwe you can just call us sisi tuna deliver maji wewe ukiwa kwa ofisi. So that is the gap we were trying to bridge and walikuwa the target customers na pia watu wa bike they have been very supportive by the way like sasa unaona vile jua inawaka you don't need to have 40 shillings uende ama 15 ndo upate maji ya kunywa just 10 shillings. Wow. You can still hydrate. So those were my target customers and I can say they are the ones who are to keep going. Yeah.
Apart from kwethra wina those customer target audience kana target customers ro wa target te thai ki wende bo kubaru ibai kubethirite baki support sana kana your core customers ne.
My core customers nitasema watu wa bike they have been good to us to support kabisa. Also the institutions around when we started to target mostly households lakini tai tumepata bado we have brought on board hospitals schools churches so we have diversified. Sometimes even the hotels Airbnbs also are on the rise so na unajua ukikuwa na Airbnb lazima customer akikuja apate maji so we also deliver to very many Airbnbs so we can say by now we have diversified burato restrictive mostly to houses we have now diversified tumepata a lot of institutions on board.
Yeah. Endira tuirero kia ukiane thwanyo ere kwambiria biashara ya wendia borui kada kinyete yita kwatweka membi nyendiro kwenda biro kunywa utekomba kwithiro kirona na kinyorwo na membi nyari muro tukwithira rutheru kuma we kwambiria biashara ku ya do you feel corona ikuno mbere kwithira ukifulfill kintu kire kya gusukunite
kabisa? Absolutely, it is something that I have loved for a while. So inya by the time ndaire ku notice gap i business ndatwere ku admire nuko na intobira you are young hauna capacity lakini ukaitira I would want to have something like this. So I think I fulfilled whatever was in my mind. Na the customers are happy. They are also fulfilled. Our struggle, the residents around about here, they just make a phone call at the comfort of your house. Leo ni Saturday. Unataka ku relax na watoto. Ana batena roe. You don't have to struggle kwenda kutafuta. You just call us. So I think whatever was in my mind, bila nderakia ku actualize, I can say I got it. Yeah.
Okay. Atwari mantujegie packaging. Erwero ku, how do you package?
Packaging, we just get the bottles. As I told you, ito ra chuba from Nairobi to ati transport tia Tokinyila. So kuna customer yake yako irena kwenda aina events, maybe wako na wedding, burials, all that. Yako irenda like 50 packets or 20 or so. We take a day or two, maybe depending na agreement na customer. Tukaomba mo package ra roirora na toa mo brandira. So you've realized most of the events zinakuwa na branded water. So we do that for the customers. Kuna ungeni wake yako ile na kwenda 5 liters, 20, 10 hivyo. So we have all that. Where when you come to our shop ama when you give us a call, tutakupatia ile maji wewe mwenyewe unataka. Yeah.
Na kendo sustain biashara ikukuma 2023 na mwaka itu 2026, almost 3 years later, na ndokaite tunapenda na kuba kudire kiendelea. Na atoba kudire ukime sustain bio bidhakia bio tofauti sana na bila banki maybe kinyapa bidhakia.
Hiyo kwanza nitashukuru Mungu, si kawaida. And then I can also attribute it to my supportive employees. Najua ukikuja you not find me here most of the times, but they have really done it so well. They are very present, ready to serve the customers, and they are doing a good job. And third, I think we are paying for convenience. So the moment muntu aka realize that I don't have to come all the way, umakaga beya ona kwira rui. I think that is also another good part about us, that customer ate but you struggle kuma na are o kinya nyumba, it is already 7:30 usiku, you want to rest, uka realize utina rui. Hiyo part pia, the fact that we do deliveries to Kenoru and tuseme generally around Meru town, we do deliveries. That is also another thing that has kept us going. And as we said, the good relations with our customers, we address challenges. Ntiomba kwera toteta that when issue 1 or 2 since we started. Lakini customer care utwera this and this haijanifurahisha. We take as action so that to solve problem to take care of lose customer. So we listen to our customers. Yes.
Na kiri industry ya we divorui, I know no kwendera kwina challenges. Irate wenka ukulukira kana kiritere kiraki utukulukira wenka. Kire barabo ndabe kiri industry we kwederete maybe kwina challenges. Irabu kwidira kulukira. I don't know kidira kuchibu kulukira ya industry arabu kuona mambo ikifanywa kwa mzuri biashara yote we divorui na mbe kwidira gitaboya. The industry as a whole na challenges kidogo, na most of them now inakuja na the taxation. Okay, there into every other day, into every week, every day. Cost of transport na ukaiwitia. Kidira ni bike. We use a motorbike to transport. Sometimes waikwa mauta ya iteria customer ora deliver rowe utemwirende mauta ya iteria customer nte koretera rowe renge. So you realize tuseme to the high cost of living, the very huge taxes ambazo the government is imposing on us, ndizo zinatukua challenge kubwa. Everything else no uende, every person akona challenge yake sasa na personal non to renge ni also the source of water is another challenge, lakini endeme yako yao tumira robo hole unge atumira just the community water yenye iko. So hiyo ni kitu kingine pia, you don't get right the machines zenye unafaa ukue nayo, utapata inakusumbua for a while. So yeah, otera kwena ntomba kudira bagi utetheri your staff roughly wina staff ya ndowana.
At the moment I have just 2, but on some days, when high orders, packaging, we onboard another one. But now, wale tuko nao permanently ni wawili. The first thing ikikuja kwa kutafuta employees, we look for commitment. Ule employee, is he or she able to relate with the customer in a good way? Not to, sometimes utapata mtu wako unajua kama uko moody, that should not affect your delivery as a person unauza, because at the end of the day customer ora teko meindi biko dorete kinyato hapo ako sana kinyatu in the morning imbere na tukakosa kuelewana etebati translate yetake customers. So I really look for someone who is anajituma. Kujituma ni moja, mtu anaweza kurelate vizuri na customers, ye mwenyewe ako, you know, there is also being confident about your work. Na okay, that way willing to learn. There are a lot of things you have to learn when you come here. So I look for someone who is willing to learn, mtu ako committed, a honest person. Honesty is another one. Micromanaging itawezekana. So I look for someone who is also very honest, so that at the end of the day nikimwacha hapa nikienda nikirudi, the business can still run.
Anakuma wewe kwa biashara Emily kwena mantu yara atu ani do's and don'ts. Ajara wakinyaki akwambira biashara ngikuna yayo nkabwithia na ntenda kubwithia.
The do's and don'ts of what are you feeling? The do's, I will say, study the market, the area first of all. Jua what the customers expect from you. Just know, like, understand your customers. If you understand your customers, kuna customer atakuja hapa tukeleleshe. But you know, at the end of the day, we have to really understand our customers at the end of the day. The don'ts, make sure you don't compromise. Not to realize when a sales, you compromise the quality of the water you are offering to the customers. Not to, at the end of the day, customer so the moment you've compromised, then you realize utapoteza a customer, 2 customers. Na hii biashara pia inawaka a lot na referrals. Kuna mtu hajawahi kuja hapa akatuona, lakini nonto neighbor kiena amwirire kwe antobande tairaro and the water is good. Anaitisha maji, 1 year later hajawahi kuja kwa shop physically. So if you compromise, you realize the same way customers wanakurefer, it's the same way they will go with your customers. So they don't compromise kabisa on the quality. Yes.
Okay.
If you do that, I am sure utauza.
Nikire biashara iko na mtu akienda kwambia biashara yeye kuye na kwena mantu yara undiye kumwadvise ati zairo kwenda kwambia biashara roi bibyo batukumba kwidra wina byo na byo tubatukumba kwidra wina byo.
So kwambia biashara roi, I will say first of all, look ambao menye who you're targeting. Not to every business, when you start, you have to target a particular group. You see? So, ambao menye who you're targeting, and then now, be ready to start small. You will not start the first day and useme umekafunga. Apana, it's a process. 1 month, 2 months. If I show you our records for when we started, utacheka tu, but sasa hatukusema hii mwezi hatujapata pesa yenye tunataka, so acha tufunge. We just embrace the process because it's a process anyway. So accept to start small. Hautafungua siku ya kwanza na uuze kabisa. Also accept to learn. Like waambiriria customer yake akwire hii iko sawa, here iko sawa. So also be willing to learn. And then now for every business for the requirements. So now find out the requirements you need for like this one. The licenses you will need. The requirements. Not to, okay, every business in a requirements chiayo. So go and find out hii biashara inahitaji nini na nini na nini. And then as you source, if you do all that, I'm sure you can have a good start. Yes.
Maybe tukiwa in the next maybe 5 years, while late LIQUISPRINGS waters, urona bukedra buina kana ndisaye ku bukedra ukinyite.
So we have dreams as LIQUISPRINGS, and it's our desire to keep growing. So for now, we have 1 LIQUISPRINGS shop. But in the 5 years to come, we are hoping to have a number that we will have started. Also, tutiwa we are big on packaging, mostly known to, you will find us most of the times we just do for the event. It is also our desire that in the next 5 years to come we will have maneuvered around, tukaeza kuwa sasa tukaenda big on packaging, so that sasa hata usipokuja kwa duka, when you go to a shop near you, unaweza pata maji ya LIQUISPRINGS. Yes.
Hakuna client bara wa serve and you felt nimefanya kitu.
Yes. We feel that every day because customer akikuja hapa, we ensure they leave smiling. So siwezi sema a particular one, we try and inakuwa ni the same. We serve all our customers the same. So we say we get happy every day by serving our customers. Yes.
Ndira inya customer mweru ake yakwire ngania na ngania ngomba kwithira aki aimbeleza ndethira ngikinyau kiuwe na kundaro ku akwira feedback ero ku iruisawa uwe we CEO na tawiwa.
I feel so good. Nonto this is a product I'm taking out there to customers. Na as the owner of the business, I accept feedback and I love feedback. So it feels so good. Customer ambera amekuja, amesaviwa vizuri. When I was away, customer amesaviwa vizuri, and then alipenda the product also. It feels so good. Lakini sasa mwingine akikuja, you know, there is also criticism. We take it positively. We atukasirikiangi customer tuseme sasa huyu amefanya anatutanisha pana. We accept criticism and see what we can do to change that. Yes, by then most of the things sometimes kuna challenge and we learn it through customers. Yes, so I really love and I appreciate what the customers do. Nonto atiura kuna customer ke omwenderie kintu are ko werua disappear. So we have found that we have very supportive customers. They don't disappear. Atanipigia niambie, hey Emily, leo there is something I didn't like, and we look into that and ensure we have brought a change.
Then naomba kwithira kinekira advice kim turakwenda kwambira biashara anytime ya biashara to mwaka ithire ya runo ithire mimbi arenda kwambira biashara enduka biashara ekwende nyama we any type of the business irakwenda kwambira ndenda wile kamirombe kwithira kumu advice
katu to anyone who wants to start a business. First of all, tuseme kurun biashara si rahisi. That is one. Usikuje ukiwa na expectation that you will open a business that day and it will peak. For some it does, for others it takes time. So be open to uko ready to take that time until you meet. Sometimes unakuja mali kama hapa ukidhani the residents hapa ndo watakuwa wanani support, and then you realize our residents hata hawana interest na product yako. But kuna mwingine ako a few meters away, lazima take time ndio learn about your presence there. So I think you just be ready for the growth. Listen to feedback, listen to the customers. Above all, pray to God, because honestly at the end of the day, yeye ndio ubariki kazi ya mikono yetu. So we just pray to God, mwambie akuguide so that even as you start, akupatie the best location, akupatie the best customers for you, na you will be successful, I think.
Yeah. Ndira mtakwenda kuya kuliuka kundorwe au kwenu abati kuya na I regret kundorwe kumambeti yana mwaka yana.
So but we tuenda kero roto at a very affordable price. Nonto we sell 1 liter at just 10 shillings. So no way to buy 1 liter. Kwa ya nyanya we 500 ml. So that is 5 shillings. So 5 shillings all the way to 200. Hiyo ni refill. Then we have also prices for now. Tuwe kwenda area Kiboyo. Nonto wewe utena somewhere kwa kuweka, lazima tukupatie mahali ya kuweka. So but we are very affordable.
Thank you. Kwena mturaka enda kwa kuliunga kana kwa kura ruwe mwelese inombiga kwithira ikiwata kithira kwa social media platforms kithira kwa nande thimu na kinya location ndo kwithira gitweleza ina kwongwa buri.
Okay, ndi baraba kwenda kwa kuliunga, just to contact us, you're welcome. Nduka yetu irae located along Kinoru Makutano Road, just on your way to the stadium. Our physical shop is there. Na bado tuina namba thimu ira umpa kuringa so that you get the water. Ti lazima weye. When the way held up, we can still bring the water to you. Na number is 011 32 80 929.
Nichokere
011 32 80 929. Na pia kwa social media utatupata as LIQUISPRINGS water. So Facebook, TikTok, tuko huko. Yes, come and interact with us.
Thank you. Na tukirekire nende ndotege kamera robe kwithura okera 11 kire customers baku na kinyabara mendi bakwasi aya kuya gutuika you consumer.
To our customers, I want to thank you so much. It is your support. Every day, the phone calls you make, the walking in that you do, and so we are very grateful to you for supporting us, and we promise to keep making our services even more better and efficient. So thank you so much for your support.
Okay. Anibaka sana lakini anibaka sana Emily na ndo wakukiria tuyatulunga biashara ne kuweta na mbere na ututariria bora biashara yebenge borwe yumba kwidra ikita we are very much humble kanito kuba twini yete sana nibanya mno mutegeri wa Meru TV na ndo na mbere na kuba kwidra wetu diatira kimubango yo atukurie biashara rwaringwe tikyo kuthoma mantu jaile kana jadatu yege wendia borwe kumakire Emily wa LIQUISPRINGS water iratwerwa internet ya makutano barabarene makutano witite nterechi ya Kinuru ni wapeta muthoni makiramana mubango yuko yere tuko chonda cha Alhamisi akuma thaile na nusu cha woro mwanka 3 cha urethra wina kaita gakera.